is the most wonderful time of the year. Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's the holiday season. Welcome to Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. Come join me in my southern kitchen as I prepare and share with all of you some yummy and festive Christmas treats and goodies that your whole family is going to enjoy. Your kitchen is going to be smelling like the holidays. And also check out my Christmas treats playlist for more recipes I have made in the past. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So put on your apron, turn on the oven, grab your cookie cutters, and turn on the Christmas music, sugar, because we're about to cook and bake some Christmas magic in my southern kitchen. Let the holiday baking and cooking begin. I'll see you soon, my friends. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.